What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you are having a great day. Appreciate you guys stopping in, joining me on this wonderful and hopefully not boring video. We're going to talk about some stablecoins. Yes, I know stablecoins can be boring, but there's something happening before our eyes that has not happened before. So we need to go ahead and address it. Now, if you are new to the channel or haven't already, go ahead, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get notified anytime our content is live here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. So Binance is secretly, quietly, and stealthily, if stealthily is a word, creating a stable coin monopoly. Okay. So Binance has now expanded its stablecoin BUSD to both Polygon and Avalanche. So now it is available on both those chains. Now, not only that, but obviously it's available on BNB chain, which is Binance's own chain, as well as Ethereum. Okay. It's now, if you're not familiar with BUSD, it's Binance US dollar. It's a stable coin. It's created or issued by Paxos, and it's the primary stable coin that is used on Binance chain. Okay. Now, why this is important and why you should pay attention to the sneaky workings is that Binance actually came out and said that by September 29th, any USDC as well as a few other stablecoins are going to be converted automatically to Binance US dollars, so BUSD. Okay. Why this is important is right now, Binance USD currently sits at the third largest stablecoin behind US dollar coin, behind Tether. So those are the two big players in the game. Well, Binance has some of the highest volume as far as transactions goes in all of crypto. So it's one of the most used chain. Now, I don't have the data in front of me as far as, what the total holdings of USDC is on Binance chain, but obviously it's probably quite a bit, right? I think that's safe to assume. So we may end up seeing this flip, okay? This flip between US dollar coin and Binance USD, or at least getting pretty close to each other. So Binance is currently trying to work its way up this ladder to become the stable coin that everybody uses. And again, they're going through these sneaky ways of doing it. Now they're trying to follow, obviously, in other coins' footsteps. Obviously US dollar coin is available on multiple chains. Same thing with Tether too. But, I just thought it was obviously very interesting to bring to you guys because they're being sneaky. We have to make sure we watch it, make sure we pay attention. Obviously we'll kind of watch the charts as this all happens. We'll see if there is actually a flipping or if it's just a small dollar or if there's maybe just a mass exodus from Binance. That could be too. Now, as always, obviously this is not financial advice. This is just informational, content, entertainment. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you took something positive away. Hopefully you learned a little something. I know I did. I do every time I look at one of these articles. So appreciate you guys stopping out. If you are new to the channel again or haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get notified anytime our content is live here on the ClearCryptos channel. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.